In this video, we will learn how we can auto-post on social media platforms. It's very easy and simple. So let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. I am already logged in. Then click on the plugins option located on the left side bar. Next, you need to click Add Plugin. Now search for Did Social. There are many other plugins available as well. But for demo purpose, we will use this one. Simply install and activate it. Then you will see an option of BitSocial on the left menu. Click on it. Then on next page, click on Accounts. Here you need to connect your social accounts. I already connected my Facebook account. You can connect it using Connect button. I also connected my LinkedIn account. You can also connect yours. Similarly, after connecting the accounts, on next screen, WP Auto Post, you will have option to choose which platforms you want to post. And also many other settings such as WP Post Schedule, Share Now option, Calendar, Template, and so on. Now, we will move on the post section for demo purpose. Here, we will add a new post. Let's give it a title and add some dummy text. We will also add an image. Now our dummy post is ready. Let's publish it to see if the plugin works. Our post has been published. Now we will verify that this post was auto-shared on Facebook and LinkedIn. Here is our Facebook page. Let's refresh it. Here you see the post. It was auto-shared on our page. Now let's move our LinkedIn. Now let's refresh it. You can see the post was auto-shared here as well, but without image. So this means this plugin helped us auto-share post on these two platforms. For other platforms, you need to have Pro version. There are plenty of other plugins available as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.